Okay, so when we did this problem earlier today, I think that I just blindly jumped into the exercise without reading the directions. I think I just made up my own directions. So watch. If memory serves, I think they wanted to find the union, and then I think they wanted us to find the intersection. So I think that's what it said. If it didn't, just go with me. Let's find the union and let's find the intersection. Now we say the union of A and B, and then the intersection of A and B. That's what we're focused on. So first things first, let's find the union. I would recommend that we do so by considering the graph. Here, what we did earlier was we said this means x is greater than 4/3. And the picture for that, we drew 4/3, we drew open circle, and we went to the right, greater than 4/3. And then for this one, we said that that's the same as x greater than -3. And the picture for that would be like that there, right? So those are the two separate pictures. So what is the union and what is the intersection? Maybe what we can do is draw one number line that has both things on the same number line. Instead of two separate, just make one number line for both. So on one of them, it would be purple like that. And on the other one, let's change the colors. Let's go red. Like that. So if you take both graphs and put them on the same grid, you can then see what's what. So watch. So for part A, when it says union, union kind of looks like the word unite, to bring together, to combine together. So when it says union, what you do is take the color purple and take the color red and combine them together. If you combine the purple and the red, let's say that makes green, the answer would be this green. It would go from -3 and it would go all the way to the right forever and ever and ever. I know that the red has a hole, but the purple doesn't. The purple fills in the hole, which is why the answer for the union would just be that there. And that union would be from like a -3 to infinity. So let me erase some of this here. So for that part there, for the union, let's get rid of all this here. For the union, for part A, the union would have been, we said this was the union, right? From -3 to infinity. Final answer, if they ask for the union of A and B, boom, there's the picture and there's the interval. Final answer. Now, let's focus on the intersection, okay? That's completely different, probably. So here is what you do for intersection. On the intersection, go ahead and make one number line and put both colors on the same number line. So for instance, for B, this was B. And then let's switch colors. Let's go blue. And then for A, it was like that, right? We have B in red, and then we have A in blue. Now, intersection is different. Intersection does not add the two graphs together. No. Intersection is like where they cross, what they have in common. So here, what I see is, what do they have in common? You see here, there is no blue. Here, there's both red and blue. So the answer for intersection is the part that has both colors. I need both colors. That's why here, that's no good because there was no blue. All of this is money because that has both colors from 4/3 to the right forever. So my final answer for intersection would be like this. It'd just be 4/3 to the right. As an interval, it'd look like that. You see that? So there's my graph on the number line, and there's my interval. And this is for intersection, which is when the colors overlap. Union is you pretty much combine everything together, like addition. But intersection is whatever has both colors.